I am going to show how our AI learning path works. So initially, you'll be having a create new plan where you will be filling a basic form, what you want to read, how you want to read, and what time do you want to. For example, I'm giving here the web development. You can also give any. I'll just go through UPSC. I want to study UPSC or GATE. There are few, and also we have others where you can select and you can fill whatever you want, like any etc fields that you want to know. You can do that as well, and it will be asking your goal. What is your goal? Upskill at work. I'm selecting upskill at work, and it will be asking how many times, like how many weeks, like how many months will you read, will you learn it. For example, I'm going with default 5 hours, 3 months. Once I hit enter, for the specific role it will be asking me a specific quiz, like it will be a 7 minutes quiz where you'll be judged based on your answers, where the AI will be having more personalization based on your responses, where it has 10 questions. I'm just filling it, where it has 10 questions. This is also generated by AI dynamically. Once you fill this, right, you'll be getting a marks assigned, where you can get to know what is this marks, like how much did you achieve the marks. So maybe like because of this, where AI will be understanding more in depth about you, how much your what is your real level, not like beginner, intermediate, and advanced, judging it directly. It will be based judging on this 10 assessment questions, which is the role which you selected, which is on the role which you selected. And once you hit submit, it goes through it, everything goes through LLM, and it will be generating a complete curriculum based work, where you'll be having notes, where you'll be having the work of what to learn, what to read, how to read, and each and every part. It also includes quizzes as well. Yeah, it will be generating in 1 to 2 minutes. So now it created, yeah, so now it created the complete reading explanation, where you can read it, and it has module by module locking. Once you complete one module, it will be going into the next one. It gave every reading parameters. You can read, you can learn it from this. And after reading this, right, you can go to take quiz, and you have maximum of 3 attempts where you can learn. So I'm giving the quiz. So you'll be having the quiz given, and you can fill. For now, I'm giving randomly. So I gave the complete quiz. Once I complete this, right, you can go to the next module. It will go through the next module, where you can read this module as well. You can read it, and you can again same thing. You can give the quiz like that. You can complete all the modules, and again all the sections. Each module consists of 4 sections in it, where you have 4 lessons, and this is somewhere around 16. And after completing all this, you'll be having a quiz at final quiz, where you'll be giving that. And you can go to my plans. You can create one more plan as well. For example, you have cyber security also, where you'll be learning where I created cyber security as well, where we have this too. You can create a number of plans. Again, you can learn it and give the quiz. This was the score which you got initially. This is the card. This is the card. Inter the entry score, where you gave the 7 minutes assessment, right? Once you complete beginner, right, you can create advanced as well. Like once you submit all these sections and give the final assessment, it will be creating next advanced, intermediate, and then advanced as well, like parallelly, one by one. Yeah, that's it. This is the AI learning path by Skillcef. Thank you.